Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to edit a blog template inside the Design Manager in Hubspot. If you've ever needed to tweak your blog layout or change how your posts look across the site, this is the easiest way to do it. So yeah, let's jump right in. All right, first thing, sign into your Hubspot account. Once you're inside, head over to the navigation bar at the top. Hover your mouse over Content and then click Design Manager. This is where all your templates, modules, and coded files are stored. Inside the Design Manager, you'll see a list of folders on the left. Look for the folder that contains your blog templates. Sometimes it's labeled Blog, sometimes Templates, or your theme name. If you're not sure which one is used for your blog, you can search the word blog in the search bar. That usually pulls it up fast. Now just click on the blog template you want to edit. When it opens, you'll see either a drag and drop layout or coded sections depending on how the theme was built. If it's drag and drop, you can move modules around, add new sections, or remove ones you don't need. If it's a coded file, you'll be editing HTML, CSS, or Hubl. So yeah, just be careful there. Go ahead and make the changes you need. Maybe adjust the header, tweak the featured image size, update the sidebar, whatever fits your layout. Hubspot updates in real time, so you'll see the structure shift as you edit. Once you're happy with everything, click Publish Changes. That pushes the updated template live across all blog posts that use it. If you only want it to apply to certain posts, you'll need to duplicate the template. But for most people, this step is enough, and that's pretty much it. Editing a blog template in HubSpot sounds complicated, but once you know where everything is, yeah, it's actually super quick. If you found this helpful, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more short HubSpot tutorials. All right, see you in the next one.